Hello everyone, once again we have come back with the video in which we will learn how to represent a irrational number on a number line. So let us begin with, we will going to represent the following irrational numbers on number line. The numbers we have taken it as root 2, root 3, root 4 and root 5. You all can say that root 4 is not an irrational number. Yes, it is not an irrational number, but it is written in the form of irrational number. So we will learn simultaneously root 4 also, just for our knowledge. For that, let us begin with a horizontal line. We'll draw one horizontal line and we'll fix up a point which we will take it as a origin, and as you know, origin have 0 coordinate, so I have put it there 0. Now we need to fix it up scale, because without scale we cannot fix the other points. So we are taking in this construction the 2 centimeter as a 1 unit. That means in our rounder we are going to fix 2 centimeter as a radius and will keep the pointer at 0, the point as it is indicated on the number line, and cut an arc on the right side. So first arc will become 1. From 1, when we cut the same radius, we get right side 2, again 3. So right side we have got 1, 2, 3. We can keep on go on the right side as much space is available. But since we are doing only few numbers, so we will be limiting ourselves till 3. Let us take it out to the left side of the number from origin. So again same radius won't change. From O we will draw an arc which will become -1, and from -1 it will give you -2, and from -2 it will give you -3. So our number line is ready. Now if I want to draw root 2 on 8, I will have 1 unit. See here, 1 unit means 2 centimeter. The distance between 0 and +1 is 2 centimeter, and for that purpose I will draw one perpendicular line at point 1, and whatever distance we have between 0 to 1, the same 1 unit we will going to put an arc on it. See here, the red color arc we have drawn. This distance from 1 is 1 unit, as I said. Now you can see that here triangle is formed, and the light blue color is giving to you hypotenuse. So when 1 unit is 0 to 1 and 1 unit is 1 and above the horizontal line, therefore the light blue line will become root 2. So the length of the hypotenuse is root 2, but it is above the line given to you. That have to come on the number line. So with the help of rounder, I will take the distance between origin 0 and the red arc which is drawn on a perpendicular of 1. So that radius, and from O I will cut an arc which will intersect the line at a point, and therefore as we know that point will be indicated by root 2. See, 0 and this point have a difference of root 2. I hope it is clear, everyone. Now let us go for the next one. On root 2 I will draw perpendicular. Then I will take 1 unit again above the horizontal line. See here. So on the base part of the triangle we have root 2, and height part is 1 unit, and therefore the new hypotenuse will become your root 3. So we know the total length of the root 3, that we will fix it up in our rounder and cut an arc from 0 on the horizontal line. So it will give you an arc here which will be indicated as root 3. Same way we will going to do at root 3. Again vertical line perpendicular arc, and we will get again new hypotenuse, which will be given to you as root 4. So root 4, now we will take that root 4 in our rounder as a radius and cut an arc. So it will passes through 2. Why? The square root of 4 is what? 2. That is why we said that root 4 is not an irrational number. Now it is clear. So the root 2 has come and we have got indicated by root 4. Either you can say root 4 or you can write down 2. Both are rational number. Okay, let us move further. Again at root 4 we will draw perpendicular, arc will be drawn, and we'll get new thing which will be hypotenuse. The new hypotenuse will be indicating as root 5. See here. Now again we have to fix it up that as a radius and cut an arc from 0 on the horizontal line. So we will get an arc which will become root 5. So you can draw here and you can keep on going it. As much you want you can draw it. Same way you can draw to the left side. Same method. When you draw to the left side of the 0, you will get minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So basically it is just based on right angle triangle, and we apply Pythagoras theorem to get the length of the hypotenuse. Clear? Just root 5 on that we have drawn perpendicular, so we can take an arc there 1 unit, and this will become a root 6. Clear? So you can keep on going. I hope it is clear to you how to draw root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6 and go on the number line. Same way to the left side, minus root 2, minus root 3, minus root 4, minus 5, minus root 6. In case you want to take some binomials, which you will learn how to do it in a higher class. So I hope the video is very clear, and let us see and understand it again and again, and see you. Be safe.